Good morning, class 12. Last time we had discussed the letter to editor, and once again I'm going to do the same. Here is an example of another letter that we shall be discussing here, and thereafter I shall be discussing a few other questions. I'll see to it that we discuss them. Now here the question is that there is a flood of advertisements on TV channels these days. Useless commodities and even superstitious beliefs are being promoted through the glamorous and exaggerated presentation. Write a letter to the editor, New Indian Express, about the negative influence such as advertisements have on the minds of the people. You are Radha Ramesh of Mayur Vihar, Lucknow. Now see in what manner you will be writing this letter to the editor. The first and foremost thing is sender's address. That means your own address you will be writing on the left hand side top without leaving any margin. Although the natural margin that is given on the notebook or your exam means answer book will remain the same, but just after that, without leaving any margin, you will be writing your address, and then after one line gap you will be writing the date, as is very common in all the letters. Then again you will be leaving one line gap, and then you will be writing the editor, New Indian Express, New Delhi, and then after one line gap you will be writing, sir, don't put a comma there. It is old fashioned, it is no more used. Remember this. After sir, we don't put a comma. And then thereafter, subject you will be writing. Earlier, the subject used to be ahead of the sir. उससे ऊपर की लाइन में हुआ करता था पहले सब्जेक्ट, लेकिन अब जो है ये सर के बाद लिखा जाता है. इस बात को ध्यान रखेंगे. जैसे सब्जेक्ट है नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स ऑफ टीवी एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स, फिर एक लाइन छोड़ेंगे. Now see, in the way it is given here and the way you can also of course change it. This is to express my concern over the quality of advertisements shown these days on television. See, sometimes you may of course start it with through the columns, through the prestigious columns of your newspaper. You may start it this way, or sir, I am a resident of such and such a place. I'm a resident of such and such a place, and then you may quote your own problem. This can be also of course another way. Or I want to bring it to the notice of means authorities through your newspaper, and then name. In this way you may write it differently if you so desire, but choose a style that you like the most, because in the exams you will be writing only one letter. Remember this. So at least one set way of writing you must decide as to what you are going to write at the beginning of the letter, and that should remain for all times. And then see, for example, the letter that is given here, I'll be discussing that with you. For example, this is to express my concern over the quality of advertisements shown these days on television. यानी कि ये this is to express my concern. Concern means मैं अपनी चिंता व्यक्त कर रहा हूँ over the quality of advertisements, यानी कि जिस तरह की quality advertisements की दिखाई जा रही है these days on television. I believe television has become the fulcrum not only of our drawing room but also of our lives. यानी कि ये जो है main support बन गया है हमारी drawing room का और हमारी lives का. So it has a great impact on our minds, and of course it produces a great effect on our minds. The TV screens blatantly advertise false promises. Blatantly. You might call it shamelessly. Advertise false promises. There are fairness creams that can perform black beauties into beauty queens. Fat women overnight become gorgeous models. Weak children grow energetic and win prizes after eating some breakfast cereals and noodles. Means that are advertised on the newspaper. Now backbenchers and dull boys become leaders by just buying a particular detergent or washing powder. So such kind of silliness is of course advertised on TV. Now promoting belief in these things plays on the psychology of consumers who tend to get superstitious and lazy. They overestimate the power of these products and neglect the importance of self-help, independence, confidence, and hard work. Let us join hands in condemning these things that do not make one progressive but regressive. Yani these all things make us regressive rather than progressive. They are the opposite words of each other. Let us be the flag bearers and spread the belief that there is no good or bad luck. The only thing that matters is willpower, determination, and perseverance. I hope the readers will spread my belief further. Or you could put it differently also, that means I'm sure that the readers will wake up to the new arising problems as per means their desired solutions, you may put it. Now another question here of a similar nature is, you are Alka, working for a newspaper. You feel very strongly about the role print media plays in modern life in spite of the electronic media trying to take over. Write a letter to the editor expressing this concern. See, the same format will be used. On the left hand side top, you will be using your address, sender's address, then one line gap, then date, then again one line gap, then the address of the newspaper you will be writing, and then again sir you will be writing without putting a comma, sir or madam, and at the end you have to write either yours truly or yours faithfully. Remember to use these two expressions. And then you see, he says that you feel very strongly about the role print media plays in modern life. You might simply start it with that I am a responsible citizen of this country, and see, the media has become a household commodity in our places. Means everybody whosoever feels something posts it on the media immediately with a picture. So social media has become prevalent everywhere in our society, and it plays a very great role in shaping or modeling the future of our rising generations. And then the other thing that you might write, that because he is talking about the significance of the print media, you might talk about it in the way that we have lost a habit of writing and reading because all things are available to us through the medium of TV or videos, etc. Means I wish to lay emphasis on the role or the importance of the print media. It is because that we are losing our habit of reading and writing very quickly, and it is expected from us to write beautifully so that it may be and may produce the readable material. Readable material is that when you write something, if the paragraph has that impact it can produce to the readers, then it is readable, otherwise it is not readable. I had earlier also discussed this, that legible and illegible is said about the beauty of the handwriting, whereas when we say readable, it means that the paragraph, even if all the sentences are correct, may not be a readable paragraph. So you must talk about it also, that we are unable or we fail to write even a few sentences, and that is because we are busy watching this visual media all the time. So the role of print media is, when we read the newspaper, etc., or the magazines and all, we tend to develop our vocabulary, we tend to develop the reading skill, and in this way we have the power to think over it. Means we know how to retrospect the situation, because when we write, we think of the words and we try to produce the magic with the help of imagination and words. And that is how you see it helps in shaping our personalities as well. And with regard to language, we gain better fluency, because when we write, we think over the word quite deeply and whether it is appropriate or not. In this sense, you see, when we look into it deeply, we become very meticulous person in the use of language. So this all is fading just because of the visual media that is available to us every time, means all 24 hours. So I would like you to give a wake-up call to the rising generation, that they may understand the importance and the practicality of the print media, and may adopt it with open arms. And that is how we can improve our future generations. And you can also mention one more point, that is, see, in the foreign lands, I was watching a foreign channel in which they were discussing that why Indians earn more than the inhabitants of those countries, or the native English speakers in America, UK, etc. So one point that they had talked about was that because Indians have good grammar, they have a good writing skill, they might not be that fluent in their speeches, but they are very good, or they are meticulous, means careful and exact, in writing whatever piece of writing they have to produce. So they don't need anyone to draft the letter for them or to draft an application, whereas the inhabitants fail to do that effectively. So it can also be mentioned there. I hope this is enough for today. Thank you so very much. As soon as we get the board here, as I was promised from the school, if they provide me the board here, I'll be taking up all these things on the board as well. Thank you so much.